Check what hadith should someone be reading to find information on angel of death. You go to any book of hadith. If you are using any software, then just type the the word death, and you will get it. Or you can check the website of islamweb.net, or you can check islam-qa.com of Sheikh Saleh al-Munajjid. And there are plenty of other websites, Islamic websites are there, where you type the question, like the word death, and you will get the topic. Or you can go back to the index list of Abdullah Yusuf Ali English translation of the Quran. In that index, you search for the word death, and then he will give you the information about the Quranic verses. Also, there will be some evidences with regards to the death of angel of death. But there are plenty of books which are almost all the book of ahadith, they speak about the angel of death.